Desmos enthusiasts, my name is Matthew, and I'm going to be talking to you today about my favorite Desmos activity builder feature, which is the card sort. Talking about the basics, there's three types of cards you can have: math or just plain text, an image/screenshot, as well as a customizable Desmos graph. Once you have all your cards kind of laid out on the table, that's when you're going to want to make your answer key, and you can arrange it however you like. And once you have that, I think one reason that you should do these card sorts in your class is because it's just wonderful for getting students to think about the similarities between different representations, specifically how equations relate to graphs and how that relates to tables. If you're going to use this in class, another suggestion that I have is that you actually pair students up. Two students for every one iPad, just to encourage some collaboration, some rich math discussion, and just give someone that they can just bounce some ideas off of and get feedback from. Talking about feedback, you can also code each of these card sorts to make them self-checking, so they will see a screen in which they will tell them like what portion of the cards they have sorted correctly. Just talking about the kind of behind the scenes coding, Desmos is incredibly customizable. So normally what I do is I normally find someone who else did the card sort or one card sort that I've done in the past that I've made self-checking and just copy the code because I kind of forget it sometimes. But that's another benefit of Desmos. It's very easy to just cut and snip and kind of put together into one sort of thing. So that's another positive feature there. I'm going to go flip to a different example just to talk about how I kind of reduce the cognitive load of sorting, because sometimes it can be frustrating when a student does all the sorting, but then it's like 15 out of 16 correct. So oftentimes I'll display it on the dashboard setting, the kind of detailed answer key up here, and students can glance at the front screen and just get a more detailed version of what they have correct and incorrect on their card sort. So I hope I convinced you to use the Desmos card sort feature, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.